afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznań, Poland. So today I'm going to one park which is close to our apartment. I'm gonna share you what is Damian doing basically. Now he is in Stuttgart very hard name, Stuttgart in Germany, and doing the next project. So I will show you the footage that he's making so far, and I'm just curious, what he's gonna do and what's his plan or something like that, because of this is really a brand new thing for him.
So simply, yesterday I go Poland, Germany, Netherlands, Belgium, France by car. Today, little bit like a full day, let's say full day in Paris, and now flying to Stuttgart. Tomorrow I'm staying 24 hours in Stuttgart, and after that at morning I'm flying back to Poland through Warsaw. By a lot of traveling, but this actually I like so far. Nice weather in Paris. Unfortunately I didn't have opportunity to go and have a look to show you the Paris Eiffel Tower perhaps, but next time, don't worry. This is actually super cool shot, very close. I think I'm flying one of this Embraer 170 or something, smaller planes, only 2 rows, 2x2. So cool. Little bit like my old school videos from Southeast Asia when I used to travel a lot. So cool. I'm in Paris, Charles Airport, flying by Air France to Stuttgart for another project for tomorrow. And yeah, this is how does it look like. Samush flying again, Air France, so loud, so windy. Yo, what's up everybody from the Stuttgart, Germany exhibition center. Today 2 projects inside for 2 clients. Tomorrow gonna be a lot of people here, of course, obviously, but today was the preparation I'm giving to the customer. There is the airport actually, so this is the Stuttgart exhibition center. Is there near to the airport. Flags, Stuttgart in the background. A lot of is going on. Let's get inside. Winnie gonna edit a little bit. Winnie editing videos, by the way, nowadays, and we'll attach this to her regular daily video from Poznań, from Poland. But I'm in Stuttgart right now. Gonna have opportunity to see all the exhibitions across the Europe so far. However, there is some good news, as maybe in States as well, but you never know, maybe in the future. I had a project in Hall 1 and Hall 8, and this is like a grand stadium, grand section where will be right now is just the restaurant, but all the events happening here, so probably it's pretty deserted because most of people already go home. Most of the things are finished. However, if you go inside, there will be still some work progress. And tomorrow will be, of course, everything busy here. And this is the Frankfurt Exhibition Center, actually, from the main entrance. I'm gonna get down. The shop is open. I need to get something, actually. All right. So today in Stuttgart, since morning, I delivered 2 projects. Actually, one to the British company, one to American company, actually. So that's the Stuttgart Exhibition Center, World Trade Center. We forgot to make a video inside. That was like one of the battery show. Other one was the medical show. So maybe not that exciting like army defense show yesterday in Paris. However, it was cool. Maybe Winnie gonna attach some picture, perhaps. This is how does it look like. I'm gonna show you a little bit because the show is tomorrow actually. I just arrived to the train station, and this is how the trains are going because I'm like 10 minutes from the Messe, from the airport. So this is how does it look like. I used to drive Uber. I will take a train now to go to the city, and maybe I can come back from the Uber with the Uber. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going. Actually, the U6 probably, and need to buy some ticket. They have it, something like this one. Actually, this is metro system because it's underground. I didn't even realize that. So cool. €4. So I just arrived at the city center in Stuttgart, but I forgot as there is the Euro 2024 football championship. So they're watching the TV and I cannot explore, but that's also cool vibe actually, right? Alright, that's the Starbucks coffee. That was the main square. Oh, there is something nice actually though over there. Cool. Everything is about the football today. Oh, but that's how does it look like. Yeah, we are in Germany, that's for sure. Stuttgart is actually very close to Zurich, so it's mountain city. I think it's more mountainous city than Munich, actually, definitely. And of course, people from all around the world, literally. Yeah, this is it. And that's how does it look like city center of Stuttgart. This is walking street, similar to some places though. I'm not sure to what, but that's how does it look like. Some architecture. There's the Platz, what is very nice square. But you see what's going on. We can watch the football. I'm gonna eat something. I'm in Germany, so I don't know what should I eat. Maybe kebab though. So it's actually cool from this perspective. This is Coca-Cola, of course. This is the Platz, shows Platz, Stuttgart 2024. And they're watching the football actually. I don't know who is playing right now, but you can see. They're actually cool. I didn't even realize. You see, something new. And that's how does it look like in Stuttgart. And I think I'm gonna go into this walking street over here. Cool, we need to eat something. This one is additional main square, blockhouse, steakhouse, policy, shops. This is the street actually. I thought this walking area actually. And this is the walking street. Technically, that's how does it look like. A lot of police because it's Euro. I think I cross the street. I just go there. There is much more restaurants and everything. But the one very cool thing about my new job is that I'm gonna travel, and I'm gonna travel a lot. So the new things what I didn't see in Europe, I will have the opportunity to see soon. Actually, I'm doing it. München, Paris, Stuttgart. Cool. This is the strip is something going on, and I can see this kebab is extremely busy. Everybody who's sitting here, they eating some sort of kebabs, and that's the price increase. A lot of people. Maybe I should queue and have a look. Maybe I should have a kebab here. And that's the restaurant strip. There is some kebab actually, as I said. That's cool, and some more restaurants. Little bit different vibe than other German city what I was. That's for sure without doubts. But like I said, same but different. It's never the same, guys. Actually, always whenever you travel, each city will be different. Poland, Germany, France. It's gonna be different. It's definitely different. You can feel totally different vibe, different streets, different architecture. Even McDonald's looks different here. Yeah, actually, sounds how cool. Everything is cool when you travel. And actually, as I said, this is a corner, and you're looking down, and it's like going straight very down. Also, up there is some tower. I don't know what is it, but this is like a really hilly city. And yeah, this is it. That's how does it look like. Lunchtime. Oh, that's the nice doggo though. Cool. The north face, the entrance to the subway, like this one, and some main square. This is how does it look like basically here. Yep. Decide to have a kebab because I don't know, for some reason I feel the vibe looks really decent actually. Big portion with nice Coca-Cola in the glass bottle, big stomach for that. And outside the people watching football down there actually. That's why I cannot see the outside. That's how does it look like. Stuttgart kebab in Germany.
So this is what I really like in Poznań. Wherever you go, it's already green park like this. And now I think that I am going to the place where there is a like a kind of a restaurant or coffee shop next to the river, and also with the garden. So yeah, let's go. I just arrived in the state Stare Vinograde. Okay, so this is the place basically, and like I told you, wherever you go must be green something. And I don't know what's building in front of me, but yeah, let's go. So I just arrived in one place like this one. There in front of me is the one restaurant. Nice, I will go there, but first of all I'm gonna show you Maybe just because of Monday, right? This one is the Warta River, and I think that on the left there are so many places like a container shape. Oh, look like a hostel or something like that. I'm not sure, but here, look at this. Oh, this one is the boat for the Warta River. So I just have a one hot cappuccino, and here is the place. Nice. People coming with dog, and that's the menu, and nice concept. I like it. Green and then cool music. I mean chill music. Nice. This is a very nice, interesting concept of cafe. What I see is that this is really like Ubud style. If I compare again with Bali, you know, like garden where there are so many trees, fruits, and now I understand why it's called Ugrud Společnice. Like Ugrud means like small garden. And look, they have apple trees, and they have a nice music concept, and it is a very you know, like green garden concept, and with the place sitting area like this, and they also have a hammock just like this, and very nice. Ah, I see. And oh, look at this. What is this? This one is the apple tree. Ah, this is the apple tree. I don't know whether you can pick up the apple for free, but a very nice, interesting concept. Really like I don't know, green garden, something like this. And I think that on the weekend, especially on Sunday, there must be busy. Nice. And in front, yes, in front there is Warta River, and then the plaza, like, you know, a sandy, like a beach like this. Nice. Oh, good Sirak. Nice. Ah, look at these beautiful rose flowers. Now it is more interesting. Okay, now let's get a tram and we will go to the another park. Very nice. Look at this beautiful rose garden. Now I am in the park Cittadella, and here is my favorite rose garden. You see, there are so many colorful rose here. Very nice. I just sitting literally few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and then boom, it is raining. I think that what you should prepare whenever you are going to you know, out from your home, especially I think that this week or next week, I think that this month, you have to be prepared with the umbrella, just like this, raining. But still, what I can see is that enjoyable. It's not that so hot, it's not that humid, and yes. This is how my day like on Monday. People most really don't like Monday, but for me, I like every day here. So if I get bored at home, and then I finish my work, and I have lots of time, and I'm so lucky that I live surrounded by the green nature like this. So yeah, I just get out from home, and then go to the park, go to the lake, go to the river, and that's it. Just like my friends said yesterday in Poland, you know, the flowers is just like seasoning. I mean, at the first you came to Poland, I came to Poland at March or the beginning of April. It is magnolia season at the beginning of spring, and then few weeks later it is rose season. just like this. So I enjoy it. You know, like even I go to the same place and again, I know that you might be boring, but for me, look, I didn't get bored because I learn something new every day. And even like these three girls sitting watching the pond, three of them under the umbrella, seems like they enjoy it. So it's nice while listening to the sound of the birds and the nature. Look at this, look at the kids playing ball in the middle of the garden. And here is, we are in the Umberto Cafe area, and here is the place. Basically very nice, many flowers, colorful. Look at this beautiful flower. And playground. So if you have a children, and this is definitely a child friendly place, and in front is the museum. So nice. I think we'll go there inside. I need to have something. Oh, look at this. So I will order something nice inside. Look at this, a beautiful red flower behind me. So nowadays I really like to go exploring the restaurant with a garden view, just like this. Because everywhere you go here in Poznan is garden, lake, river. It's enjoyable, right? And I can feel like some of the tropical garden even here exists. So it really like homey place, remind me my home. I love green. That's the most important thing for me. Look at this beautiful colorful lily. I think that last time when we visit our mother in Ilava, I sent mama about that lilies, and I show mama these flowers and the garden. Look at this, look at this, very nice. I really like exploring the garden nowadays. I should take Damian to go here. It's so pretty. And look at this, beautiful, very nice. I think that everywhere you go, like if the restaurant with a beautiful Insta worthy, many people will come. Just like behind me, this girl. Many girls coming here to take a picture, and then for the social media. I think that just because of the world nowadays. So I just ordered focaccia bread. I feel like I need to have a break for the meat, maybe like, because I eat lots of meat every day. So simple dinner today, and with the view like this. I'll show you later on. Nice. So big focaccia bread. I thought that just small piece, because in Bali focaccia bread is just like small piece. Here the portion is always huge. Look at this beautiful cat, Kota. She's sleeping, and I'll show you the restaurants around. Look at the ambience here. Banana leaf, something like this. Yeah, many people are here having dinner, and look at this one, beautiful. I really like this beautiful garden aisle like this, and the sitting just like this, and beautiful flowers. Oh, they have like winogrono. Winogrono means grapes. Nice. Haha, beautiful. Look at this beautiful yellow lily, and that's the people inside. It's very nice. And look at this. Wow, nice. And many kids are playing in the playground, and the flower. So nice. Look at this beautiful flower in front of me blooming. It's nice, and you see that many people also sitting here in the garden, and I think that's gonna be blooming soon. Nice. There's the lily as well. Very nice. I like to see a group of children who is outside talking and do social interaction rather than just focus on the phone. It's nice, very nice. Even they bring their own music. I feel like I really gonna be a botanist soon. It's just like recording so many flowers. Very nice. Yes, I learned this lady Magdalena Abakanovic in my art class, and she actually make this kind of the sculpture. I will go closer and show you her art. So I learned about the arts of the Magdalena Abakanovic. So she is police lady who built all of this art. So I learned all about art in my art class. At the beginning, I don't really understand what it is, but now I really quite understand her art. Beautiful. And surrounded by the green nature like this. Awesome. Look at these beautiful flowers. I told you guys, you watch my video, you will feel like you are a botanist. I've got friends who are they are really expert in botanists in Poznań. The lady yesterday who explained to me everything, she even writes a book about ogród in Poland and the types of the flowers. So like I told you, every day I learn something new and I see something in my real life. It's beautiful. Right, I think that's all my video today, guys. Just another day of exploring, sightseeing. The thing is that what I learned in my class, I found it the reality here. So a day by day, I learn something new and exploring something new. So this is part of learning lesson in life. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.